Hi everybody, today is November 1st, 2020, and I wanted to check in with you on the state of COVID in Dutchess County. We were seeing a bit of an uptick lately. I just wanted to go over some numbers. So to start out, we'll go here to some articles. We've got here at the Hudson Valley Observer, which is our new paper that's been out for a couple months now. Every day there is a coronavirus update with how many new cases in Dutchess County. And if we click in to today's update, which is posted today about Halloween, we see there were 18 new cases yesterday. So each of these articles, which again, they come out every day, they're posted on Facebook and Twitter. And if you come to the website, you can select an option to get notified on your phone or browser of any new updates. But it includes how many new positive tests and what's being monitored by the county, how many hospitalizations, things along those lines, how they've changed. Also any new deaths in the county that have been attributed to the disease. And it also is collecting all the information from the school districts. So any school district that's had a positive test in the last 3 weeks, they will be listed here along with information. So like in Rhinebeck, it says one test report yesterday was not positive. No positive tests of 9 total have been reported over the past 7 days, and 1 positive test out of 27 in the last 14 days. And there are links to go directly to the New York State COVID report card site. So each of these schools have had at least 1 positive test in the last 3 weeks. You'll see Red Hook's not listed here, Hyde Park's not listed here. Neither of them have had a positive test in the last 3 weeks. So schools will appear and disappear as those tests come up. It also tells you how many tests on average have been given in the county over the last 7 days, and some sort of baseline from 3 weeks ago in terms of hospitalizations, active cases, new deaths, things like that. So here's the 7-day average. So this is what's most concerning to me, actually, right? The 7-day average for new positive tests has gone from where it was bouncing around 8 or 9 for quite a while, and it's risen pretty consistently over the past couple of weeks to the point where now it's at 18 a day, which is pretty significant. In terms of like the numbers, we've only seen, like before October, I think it was 22nd here, we had not seen numbers over 20 much at all, like in single day cases. We had seen like 5 of them since June, I think it was. So these numbers have ramped up quite a bit and pretty consistently. We had 18 today, we had 22 yesterday, we had, I think, combined over the 2 previous days, we had something like 44 over 2 days. So it's moved up quite a bit. So that is something of concern. So what does this mean, right? It doesn't, we're not in hair on fire situation. We don't have a dramatic ramping up of tests, but we do need to stay aware of this and keep wearing our masks and be careful, because now we're all indoors, right? And the more indoor activities, the closer we are together and unable to be outside for, restaurants and things like that, the more opportunities there are to spread. So we definitely want to avoid that. Plus, kids are back in school. We've got the holidays coming up, and now movie theaters are open. So we just need to be very careful, especially those of us who are vulnerable or have vulnerable people in our household, to make sure that we don't, injure the ones that we care about and love. So that's it for today on COVID-19 here in Dutchess County. Hopefully we will see these cases either level off, maybe this will be the new normal number, or perhaps decrease back again. But only time will tell. See ya.